Ever wondered how a block of wood transforms into a beautifully crafted bowl or an ornate spindle? Well, wonder no more. Today we dive headfirst into the captivating world of wood turning, an age-old craft that marries precision with creativity. At the heart of wood turning lies the lathe, a machine that spins wood at high velocities while the woodworker applies cutting tools to shape it. This machine, driven by a motor, features a spindle for rotating the wood, a tool rest, and an array of cutting tools. A correctly set up lathe ensures seamless operation and accurate results. Now, choosing the right wood for turning is as crucial as setting up the lathe. Different wood types offer unique characteristics: grain patterns, hardness, and workability. You've got a wide range of choices, from the sturdy oak and walnut to the versatile maple and cherry. Each lends a distinct touch to the final product. Once you've chosen your wood and set up the lathe, it's time to delve into the turning technique. Spindle turning gives you cylindrical pieces like table legs and chair spindles, using tools like gouges, scrapers, and shoe chisels. Bowl turning, on the other hand, shapes solid wood blocks into bowls and vessels, requiring specialized bowl gouges and hollowing tools. Understanding the different tools at your disposal is key to achieving your desired results. Gouges are your go-to for shaping and detailing, while scrapers work wonders in smoothing surfaces and removing tool marks. Skew chisels, on the other hand, are excellent for creating precise cuts and decorative details. Safety, of course, is paramount. Always deck yourself out in appropriate personal protective equipment, safety goggles, hearing protection, and a face shield. And remember to secure the workpiece firmly on the lathe using a chuck or faceplate to prevent mishaps. And finally, we arrive at the finishing stage. This involves sanding, sealing, and polishing the wood to enhance its appearance and durability. Sanding with progressively finer grits of sandpaper gets rid of tool marks and imperfections, while applying a finish such as oil, wax, or varnish adds a protective layer and a lustrous finish. Wood turning presents limitless creative possibilities. From functional items like bowls, platters, and tool handles, to decorative pieces like ornaments, candlesticks, and sculptures, the only limit is your imagination. So go ahead and experiment with different shapes, textures, and finishes to craft your own one-of-a-kind masterpiece. To recap, we've explored the art of wood turning, from setting up the lathe and choosing the right wood to understanding turning techniques and tools. We've also covered the importance of safety and the steps involved in finishing a piece. So, armed with this knowledge, it's time to turn your creative ideas into reality. Happy turning!